here's where I put some of that chimney stuff. I've cut down one tree that was here, and I'm cutting this down because I need to fix the shed because it's leaking and it's not, and it's got my stuff in there, so I'm gonna have to work on this as well at the same time. This metal frame was already on the property, so I figured we'll extend this shed. So I've dug the holes, I just got to concrete it in, and then I'll take it all the way to this end here, so then shelving can be here to put my items there. Okay, so I've concreted them in and put dirt on top. I used a level, they are level. So this will all have that sheeting that I got off the fence on there. And then I have to do the other side. Okay, on this side, and now we've got to concentrate on doing this side. It doesn't matter what it looks like because I like the rustic look. I got to figure out how I'm going to cover this side, and then in the middle, when I move the tree, I notice all that big gap, so I'm going to put a board across there and put a roof paneling on there as well. We'll get there one day at a time. Okay, I just measured the gap, it's 30 centimeters. So mark it. Well, it's less than 30, but we're going to do 30. I'll do a straight line. I've never used this tool that I'm going to cut it with before, so first time. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm doing a rustic. It's all about saving money and using what you got. Okay, let's try this tool for the first time. Never used one. Goggles on. I'm scared. Let's regulate it. I think I need an angle grinder. It's doing nothing. Or maybe I'm just scared. Let's try harder. That's dangerous. That undone. Not real good. I need to buy an angle grinder. Well, that's bloody dangerous. Okay, so I bought an angle grinder. Let's try this. Wow, that's a lot quicker. Hell yeah. I was scared at first, but got the hang of it. Now I'll do another 30 centimetres. Not bad at all. Okay, 30 centimetres. It's just rough. It works like butter. As my mum always say, work smarter, not harder. It's a lot better now. I'm still scared, but we'll get there. Okay, so I've been working on it. I've done all this, I've redone that side. Covered that bit up there. Put another one up there. So I'll just finish along there. I need to cut some more. I think I need to cut that bit a little bit to wrap it around. It's all going to get painted anyway, so should look alright. Stupid me thought I was recording. I wasn't all that time. So I've done that corner piece. I've done up there. And I've moved on to here. I got my pieces already cut to finish that off. I'm no expert. I don't say I'm an expert, so please don't follow me. I just do things that I can. I'm trying. I just need it waterproof and then I'll paint it. Okay, so that's what I've been up to. I'm going to finish it off. Well, that side anyway. Till then, hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye.